In this video, I will show you how to install Steam to your PC or laptop, so you can buy and download free games to your Windows PC. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you already have PC or laptop with minimum requirement for Steam. The latest Steam requirement is, you need to have 64-bit Windows 10 or Windows 11. It should be very easy, because majority of modern PC and laptop already use Windows 10 or Windows 11. For the CPU, GPU, and RAM, it depends on the game you want to install. But for Steam itself, it does not need too much requirement, as long as you already use 64-bit Windows 10 or Windows 11. Also, make sure you need internet connection, because we need to download this from the internet. Okay, if you already have those requirements, let's continue. First, open web browser. Then, open Google search. Search Steam like this. Scroll to the bottom, and click the Install Steam link. This is the Steam installation page. Press Install Steam button. It will download the installer. The file size is very small, and this is expected. Okay, now click Steam Setup file here. It will launch the Steam Setup window. You will be presented with language option, installation location, and so on. Just press Next to install, and wait until the process finished. After it finished, press Finish. It will run the Steam app. This is where the big file will be downloaded. Make sure you have fast internet connection to make everything faster. If this page has shown, it means that the installation is complete. Now, just use your Steam username and password to log into your Steam account. If you need to create Steam account, you can follow this tutorial. Click the link in the upper right, or the link in this video description. If your login successful, you will see the Steam homepage. In Steam Store, you can browse all games you like. You can choose to buy great games, or you can download free games, which is very good game. There are a lot of options you can choose. There is no pressure to choose any game. As long as you have good internet connection, you can download free games on Steam. If you choose to buy game, you can buy the best games you want. You can pay using credit card, debit card, prepaid card, PayPal, and many more. Also, make sure you have good PC or laptop with better specification, so you can play in recommended requirement of the game. If that's so, you will have the best gaming experience in your PC or laptop. This is the most common tips for the beginner of Steam Store, after install Steam to PC or laptop Windows. Congratulations, now you successfully install and log into your Steam in your PC or laptop.